Bridge equipment. Radar. It is used to detect other ships and land obstacles. It provides bearing and distance required for collision avoidance and navigation at sea. It assists bridge watchkeepers in keeping lookout. Course recorder. It records automatically the course of a vessel over period of time. The record is done continuously on a paper belt. The recorder is operated from a gyro compass feed. The clock in it is set to GMT. ECDIS. Electronic Chart Display and Information System is a computer-based navigation information system. If it is to be used, shall meet all the international regulations. It assists mariners in route monitoring by displaying selected information from a system electronic chart with position and other information from navigation sensors. It also helps mariners in route planning and providing real-time position of a ship. A datum is the mathematical model used in charts to calculate the coordinates of points on Earth's surface. As GPS positions are based on WGS84 datum, the electronic charts in ECDIS must also be displayed basis of the same datum. Otherwise, the position displayed from GPS on ECDIS will be erroneous. VHF. The VHF signifies the very high frequency of the range. It is a combined transmitter and receiver set. Marine VHF radio refers to the radio frequency range between 156.0 and 174 MHz inclusive. It is used for voice communication with ships and shore personnel. GPS GLONASS Galileo. A global positioning system is a space-based radio navigation system. A GPS receiver, fitted on a ship, receives the GPS signals from the system satellites, processes, and displays the ship's location on the Earth's surface in latitude and longitude. GLONASS is the Russian version of GPS, whereas Galileo is of European Union. India has also its own GPS system, called NAVIC. Speed log. Doppler or electromagnetic. There are two types of speed logs used on ships. One is called Doppler log and the other electromagnetic log. Doppler log uses the principle of Doppler effect and the electromagnet log the principle of electromagnetic field for its working. Both the devices provide ship speed and the distance traveled by the ship from a set point at any time. AIS. It is an automatic identification system and is an automatic tracking system used on ships and by vessel traffic services. It enhances maritime safety, security, and environment protection through automated exchange of information. It runs on the basic principle of transferring data electronically over a radio wave frequency. An IS device consists of very high-frequency transmitters and receivers. All ships equipped with MS transponders exchange their current movement data, such as position, course, and speed, as well as other additional information, via the VHF channels. Echo sounder. This instrument is used to measure the depth of the water below the ship's bottom, called UKC, using sound waves. It is helpful in preventing grounding of ships due to shallow water. It is kept running when a ship is navigating in shallow waters. LRIT. Long-range identification and tracking is an international identification and tracking system of ships. A ship at sea sends its position report every 6 hours, and this report is received by a telecommunication satellite. The satellite forwards the report to shore-based stations which complete the report further in stages and send it to the national data center of a contracting government. In India, DGS receives the position reports of all its ships 4 times a day, every day. The main purpose of the LRIT ship position reports is to enable a contracting government to obtain ship identity and location information in sufficient time to evaluate the security risk posed by a ship off its coast. It also helps in search and rescue operation.